Welcome to another quick tool review. This little hammer, I mean, it's perfect size for a homeowner. And let me tell you, like, it's gonna get the job done. And for the price, can you beat it? I'm not sure you can. So what would you use this for? Obviously, hammer and nails. What we have here is we have a stud finder. We've found ourselves a stud. So let's go ahead and hit a nail in. Now, it's not a framing hammer, so you're gonna have to hit a few times, but it's also super lightweight and very durable. It's not got bells and whistles like a lot of the hammers around here, but also the price reflects it. So if you're looking for a hammer, just as a homeowner or an apartment owner, and you might be thinking about, hey, I'm gonna need to hang some stuff, I'd consider this little hammer, this little guy. In fact, this little guy might go in my tool pouch because it's got a smaller head than my other hammers. So getting in between studs, hey, that's what this could be used for.